Hi everyone, my name is Magda and I'm a product expert in Foyr. Welcome back to Fix It Friday, our weekly series where we resolve your queries with quick and easy tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add customized art into your project. So let's start. First, I will switch to 3D mode and choose a wall that I want to place my art on. There are two ways of adding customized art into your project. First is to use an item from our catalog. So we click on catalog, type in wall art, and now choose an item that you want to use for your art. If you want a framed art, choose a framed item. If a frameless, then choose a frameless. You can change the color of the frame, and now to add customized art, we simply go to texture and upload our own art as a texture. We click on upload texture. It needs to be in PNG or JPEG file format. Click on the texture and just click open. Now choose a texture name and choose a category. And click on upload. Now simply drag and drop the texture into the middle of the art. And you've added a customized art into your project. Now the second way is to create the size of the art that you want with Create New Product tool. We click on Create New Product tool and rectangle. Now we can choose the size of the art. You can give it some depth. And if you want a frame, we can create the offset. Now to make it a bit more realistic, we can again use the push and pull and just push it in slightly. Now click on Done. From the texture catalog, drop your uploaded texture. And now choose a texture for your frame. And you're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check the link in the description for 14 days free trial of Foyr Neo. Thank you for watching and happy designing!